On the inside, we have some grooves cut out. This will fit a 5x5 vinyl post, 4x4 vinyl post. It also has a cutout for a 2x2 and a 2.5 inch aluminum post or steel post. Let's talk about some tools. We need to stop building fence like Granddad and start building fence like our kids will need to in the future. This is Mr. Fence Tools. Hey guys, Shawn King, Mr. Fence Tools. Check this out. What is it? No, it's not just a block of plastic. This is a really cool tool. This is to protect your post when you're using the thumper. Thumper, that big 25-pound beast kind of on top of a post. This is high density polyethylene. It's very tough. This is used to protect the top of the post. The way it works is this will sit on top of the post, and then you're going to smack the top of this with the thumper. And what's unique about it is, on the inside we have some grooves cut out. This will fit a 5x5 vinyl post, 4x4 vinyl post. It also has a cutout for a 2x2 and a 2.5 inch aluminum post or steel post. If you use a wood post, and your rails are already up, we have a groove cut out so that the top rail wood fence goes through the groove and the wood post sits up inside here. So this will work well for a standard privacy wood fence with a 2x4 at the top or 2x6 at the top of the 4x4. So let's just protect it so we can drive the post. Again, this is used for the dry set method. If you're going to install the post, run your rails, and then adjust your heights, you need this guy. This guy is vitally important to that type of installation process. It's also a lot safer than using 2x4 on top, where one guy's holding 2x4 and the other guy's holding a sledgehammer and things are bouncing out everywhere and you're trying to drive a post in the ground. So this is a safe alternative way. Looks more professional when the homeowners see you use it out there driving the post in. But let's go check it out and see how it's used in the field. Modified it to now work with a wood fence that's already railed. That's what these grooves are cut for. So it'll fit on top of a post that has the rails on it. And now we can smack the top of that and not hurt our post. All right. Down in Florida, I did this about a month ago. We had a line look like this, and we had one post, I'm not kidding you, it was 10 inches too high. I mean, I didn't say anything, I left it on purpose because I was able to climb up here and drive that post down 10 inches with this and that. Depending on your soil conditions, you can really move these posts. Out here, I can probably move these posts 3 to 4 or 5 inches, no problem. All right, if I have to move a lot, I'll climb up on top of the fence. If I gotta make a small adjustment, that's why there's an angled handle. We wanna hit that flat. That's why this handle's angled, okay? But if I gotta go a long ways, I can climb up on the fence. We'll be here if I have to drive it a long ways. All right?